Today on Monster Truck Monday, Monster Truck Outdoor Adventure, starring Giant Wheels Army Jeep and Monster Jam Soldier of Fortune.
Oh, there's a fence, Evan.
There's a fence and a bunch of tires.
Yeah, there's some tires. Where did those come from?
I don't know.
Oh, here's a really cool jump.
Oh, yeah.
What is this?
Trees.
No. What are you making?
Trees.
Trees. Okay.
Forest.
I'm gonna run into them.
No, not yet, not yet.
Hey, look at these cars. Where did these come from?
I don't know. We must have left them out here.
Oh, we can't leave cars outside. There's some rust. That's a cool car. Oh, these cars are really fast, man. We shouldn't leave these outside.
Dormers, what did the dinosaur say to the other dinosaur? Roar!
Evan, here he goes. Look out, Hot Wheels. Boom. And through the trees. Oh, an avalanche. Trees are falling on the truck. Oh, you lost your top. Oh, there's a monster.
My top fell off. Oh!
Hey, Evan, what is that?
What is what?
You see this?
Yeah. What?
What is that?
I don't know.
Evan, it's a
Tire.
tire.
Tire. There's a tree on top. The tree.
Evan, there's something under the dirt.
Yeah, there's something under the dirt.
I think it's a monster truck.
Really? No.
Hey, go get your survival shovel.
Okay.
Hey, Stormers, this shovel is really cool.
Yes, it's a military shovel.
It is a military shovel, huh, Evan? Okay, how does it work? So you unfold it. Oh, Evan's gonna dig with that plastic shovel. All right, Evan, you dig, and I'll put the shovel together.
Oh, there's another tire. There's
What?
another tire. I see another tire.
Okay.
Especially since it's getting dark.
Okay, how do we fix this? Oh, that's right. We turn this piece right here.
Oh, there's another tire.
Oh,
This thing's in a mountain.
Evan's uncovering something.
It must have got trapped in avalanche.
An avalanche?
Yeah.
Stormers, what? Evan, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm counting 4 tires. I think it's a monster truck.
Uh-huh. Oh my, okay, I'm starting to unveil a body of a truck or something. Oh my goodness! Daddy!
Look at this,
This is a
Stormers.
military truck! There must have been a military truck that got caught in an avalanche.
Evan, this is Hot Wheels Army Jeep.
Yeah.
This is one of those giant wheels.
Uh-huh. And it's a military truck.
Score, right here. Good find, Evan.
Kaboom!
Evan, dig around some more. You might find something else.
Okay.
Just don't throw the dirt on me. Military shovel.
Military shovel. I'll take that one. Give me
Try that.
Okay, you have the small one.
Everybody look out.
Oh! There's another one. There's another wheel.
Try the smaller shovel.
Okay,
There is a wheel. What could this
it's inside
be?
of a mountain. Oh my goodness.
Evan, BKT. Those are Monster Jam tires.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. I want cover in it.
There's a body. There's a body. A truck body, that is.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Get this boulder out of the way.
Oh my goodness.
Evan, I see a flag. I see an American flag.
Yeah, that's a flag. What?
Evan, who has an American flag on their truck?
Soldier of Fortune.
That's right, Soldier of Fortune does. I wonder if that's Soldier of Fortune. Evan, look. Check it out. What does that say?
Soldier of Fortune.
That is Soldier of Fortune.
Yeah. Oh, I'm collapsing into
Get
it.
him out of there. He got caught in an avalanche.
Yeah, both of them did. There must have been like a military scouting. Oh my goodness.
Stormers, check it out.
He's covered in
We
dirt.
found Soldier of Fortune under the dirt.
I'm crashing into the dirt.
I wonder how long he was under there.
Yeah, for probably a while. Oh, okay. Bye, Storm.